Our world is interconnected. The Internet of Things and Services allows for limitless possibilities. New technologies expedite the creation of revolutionary value-adding innovations. What seemed like yesterday's science fiction is today's reality. The fourth industrial revolution is at full speed. As pioneers of this new era, we at the Blaichach plant operate a standardized production network worldwide. Our strategy is geared towards a digital factory. Our hydroelectric power station generates renewable energy. By combining energy and production data, we systematically improve our energy efficiency. Our digitized in-house special machine building unit paves the way for a fully connected production. The interaction with our machines is as intuitive as using a tablet. We experience our machines throughout the design and construction phase. To achieve this, we make use of virtual reality. Our holistic strategy towards a digital factory ensures the utilization of future-oriented technologies. To this end, we develop processes that will shape the world of tomorrow. The complete automation of our flow of material through RFID streamlines our logistic processes and reduces stocks. Simultaneously, we create transparency along the entire value stream in real time. We're aware of the processing status of every order at any given time. This fosters a highly flexible environment. Furthermore, demand-driven material replenishment reduces the workload of our employees. In our relentless effort to improve, we utilize automatically generated analysis and evaluations. In doing so, we can focus on what's important: the availability of our machines. Failure losses on production lines are made transparent by means of standardized visualizations and address specific target groups. This facilitates a comparison and benchmarking of our machines on a global scale. Trends and critical developments are automatically detected and reported to our operating personnel before output losses occur. We record potential error sources. Relevant video sequences are intelligently edited and subsequently analyzed. Reoccurring interferences are linked to known error patterns. Recommendations for action are derived from these patterns and enable our personnel on site to act as skilled problem solvers. Industry 4.0 also represents flexibility for our employees. Mobile shift scheduling allows a quick and customizable shift organization. In our cafeteria, we experience the advantages of digitization on a daily basis. RFID technology improves the payment process and caters for a relaxing lunch break. Our success is based on the exemplary collaboration within our network of experts. In all of this, we pursue one clear objective: ensuring the future of our plant and thereby the future of our employees. Because there are some things you simply cannot digitize.